This band. These rust buckets can be turned into $1 million cars. Okay, we're gonna actually restore one of these right now. If ever gets that juice, be turned into almost $500 million. I'm here with Motor Classic, one of the best car restorers in the world. With more than 20 years of experience, they've turned over 250 car wrecks into cars worth over $50 million. Now after they clean the car, disassemble it, this is where the chassis goes, and then all the other parts of the car go to all of the other sections in the workshop. These cars need to be painted by hand, and you're not going to believe how many hours of training go into being able to hand paint something like a 300 SL. Now look at this. So, here, we've got final seats for the propeller. One seat takes 1 week to make. Look at the state of this engine. Just look at that. You have to rip up all the different parts. And then over here, this is the restored version. Look how different this looks. So what they do is they take each part and they mold it specifically to the car. In here, they prepare these pieces for chroming. Because it's right next to the cars, they can perfectly fit it on each piece, which doesn't always happen in other restoration companies. This is the exact same. Well, it's not the exact same car, but it's the exact same model we found in the barn full of dust, and look at it now. This car is now worth $400,000. Look at the interior. Look at this pristine. Wow. Fully restored. So, ready? Now, this is finicky. Pull this in, down, down, pull it in more. There we go. Now we're in gear. Can you believe the before and after of this thing? I mean, look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? $400,000 right here. Well done guys, well done. If you want to get your car restored, hit them up Motor Classic in Hungary. Well done.